Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your asset management with State Street step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current asset management processes. Identify specific areas that require improvement or upgrading. Research State Street's asset management solutions to understand their offerings. Schedule a consultation with a State Street representative. Discuss your organization's unique needs and goals during the consultation. Evaluate the different asset management strategies provided by State Street. Request customized proposals tailored to your requirements. Analyze the benefits and potential ROI of each proposed strategy. Select the strategy that aligns best with your organizational objectives. Collaborate with State Street to develop a detailed implementation plan. Establish clear timelines and milestones for the implementation process. Ensure all relevant stakeholders are informed and involved in the upgrade process. Review and integrate existing systems with State Street solutions. Conduct training sessions for staff on the new asset management tools. Deploy the upgraded asset management system according to the implementation plan. Monitor the progress regularly to ensure adherence to the timeline. Evaluate the performance of the new system against initial goals. Make necessary adjustments based on feedback and performance metrics. Continue to engage with State Street for ongoing support and enhancements. Review the asset management strategy periodically to adapt to changing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.